Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add music to Facebook profile. So let's begin the video. Open your Facebook app, then go to settings. To do that, click on these bars at the top right corner. Now click on that gear icon, or you can just scroll down and expand settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you see audience and visibility. Now click on profile information. Then scroll down until you see music. Click on it. Then click on this plus icon. Now you can search for song or just browse and you can preview it. You can preview it by pressing that little play pause button. To add it, just click on the song. Now click on the three dots and then tap on the pin button. And it will add music to your profile. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.